What if I told you that the foundations of the modern hospital you visit today were laid over 1,000 years ago? That's the surgical tools used in operating rooms have ancestors designed by a brilliant mind in the 10th century. Welcome back to Islamic Foresight. Today we are diving into a fascinating and often untold chapter of history. The incredible impact of Islamic medicine on global health. During what's known as the Islamic Golden Age, while much of Europe was in the Dark Ages, the Islamic world was a beacon of science, learning, and medical breakthroughs. It all started with a massive effort to gather knowledge. Muslim scholars didn't just sit back, they actively sought out and translated ancient medical texts from Greece, Rome, Persia, and India into Arabic. They saved the works of giants like Hippocrates and Galen from being lost forever. But they didn't just copy them, they questioned, tested, and expanded on them. Let's meet some of the titans of this era. First, there's Ibn Sina, known in the West as Avicenna. His monumental book, The Canon of Medicine, became a standard medical textbook in universities across Europe for over 600 years. It was a comprehensive encyclopedia that organized all existing medical knowledge. He was one of the first to propose that disease could be spread by tiny, unseen traces in the air and water, a precursor to germ theory. Then there was Al-Zahrawi, the father of surgery. Before him, surgery was often seen as a last desperate resort. He invented over 200 surgical instruments, many of which, like scalpel, bone saws, forceps, look surprisingly similar to what surgeons use today. He even developed the use of dissolving catgut for internal stitches, a practice that is still used in modern medicine. But perhaps the biggest game changer was the invention of the modern hospital system. They were called Bimaristan. Unlike the simple hospice of the past, these were true medical centers. They had separate wards for different diseases, strict hygiene protocols to prevent the spread of infections, pharmacies, and even lecture halls for teaching medical students. They kept detailed medical records for patients and ensured that care was often free for everyone, regardless of their background. This idea of a hospital as a place for treatment, research, and teachings. Teaching is a direct legacy of this golden age. So the next time you step into a hospital, take a pill from a pharmacy, or hear about a surgical procedure, remember this untold story. The bridge between ancient wisdom and modern science was built by the brilliant minds of the Islamic Golden Age. Their dedication to learning and healing continues to save lives around the world today. If you found this piece of history as fascinating as we did, give this video a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories that shape our world. Peace be upon you. See you next time. May Allah bless us all. Thanks for watching this video.